Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're cooking some pork belly slices on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. Okay, so in a couple of videos now on the Ninja, we've done the unboxing and we've done the brisket. So this video is some pork belly slices. I've separated out these cuts just to make it easier to follow along. So in this video, we're going to do the pork belly slices. So I'm going to cut these up into chunks. I'm going to put a little bit of a rub or a spice mix on them. Put them on the grill as they are, and then put them in a wrap into a bake. Again, I'll step through the recipe for this or the method I'm using, but I'll also pop it into the description as well. Okay, it's got pork belly. Cut it open. We'll dry them off on some kitchen roll. Chop them up into little segments, little bites, mini bites, and then we'll put the rub and the mix on them. Slice them up into kind of 2 by 2 inch. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of barbecue sauce on the pork, just for as a bind. Pop it onto this plate and sprinkle the rub over. So wrap this, leave it in the fridge, bring it out when we're ready to cook it. The plan with this is to cook it, smoke it for 1 hour, and then we'll wrap it with some butter, barbecue sauce and honey, wrap it in some foil and cook it for 1 more hour. Okay, we're back inside the day after. Just wanted to do a kind of summary of the cook. Apologies there wasn't much footage of the food afterwards, but I can confirm it was delicious. The pork belly were beautiful. The fat had rendered down really well. There were still bits of fat in it, which you do expect from pork belly, but the meat was really soft, just fell apart, really nice. I probably perhaps I was in a little bit of a rush yesterday. I may have cooked it a little bit longer, and it probably would have got even softer and fallen apart even more. But I didn't really have the time. But it was enough just with that blast with the smoke, and then pop it into the foil, wrapped in foil, and cook it that way. That was enough to make it really nice. And obviously that butter, apple juice, and the barbecue sauce on mid-cook before we broiled it, before we put it in the foil. Really added some really nice sweet flavours to it. So overall, really impressed with the capability of doing pork belly on the grill. So you may notice on the videos I was cooking some other things at the same time. I have separated those videos out to do them separately, just to show you the preparation and the cook separate. But I was cooking stuff at the same time. And this grill did get a bit of hammer yesterday in terms of stuff it left behind. There was some brisket on here, some chicken and the pork belly. So I just wanted to show that's been in the dishwasher, cleaned really, really well. So that just literally 1 wash in the dishwasher a few hours after we finished cooking, so it was really grounded in there. And that's the drip tray as well, that's cleaned really well as well. So just to show you them. So yeah, hopefully it's been an informative video. Hopefully you've liked it in terms of what we've been able to do with the grill. If you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike and let me know in the comments why you disliked it. If you've got any questions, comments, anything about the pork belly, about the grill, about anything I've covered in the video, or perhaps something I haven't covered in the video, drop it in the comments section. I will get back to all comments and questions. If If you'd like to follow this Ninja Woodfire journey along and other DIY videos on the channel, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.